Nikki Haley just gave the single worst answer I've ever heard in my entire life when asked about the root cause of the Civil War.
What was the cause of the United States Civil War?
Well, don't come with an easy question or anything. I mean, I think the cause of the Civil War was basically how government was going to run. The freedoms and what people could and couldn't do. What do you think the cause of the Civil War was?
Okay, here's a free tip. When you get asked a question and your answer is, what do you think the answer is? It's a telltale sign that you don't actually know what you're talking about. And hard as it may be to believe, her answer got even worse.
I'm sorry? What do you want me to say about slavery? Next question.
So throughout her entire answer, she doesn't once mention slavery. And when the guy calls her out, she says, what do you want me to say about slavery? Next question. The true tragedy of this is twofold. One, Nikki Haley is South Asian. Her parents could only immigrate to the United States because Black civil rights leaders fought for the Immigration and Nationalization Act of 1965. Without Black civil rights leaders, she would not be here. Her father even taught at an HBCU. And two, she's a former governor of South Carolina. When you look at the Articles of Secession from South Carolina, the number one reason they cite is because of the northern states' hostility to the institution of slavery. The bottom line is this. If mentioning the mere existence of slavery will make you lose votes, then guess what? You're catering to white supremacists.